I have attached myself with the nature and I am a nature lover. And today I have also come to talk about nature, to make video about nature. I always try to help other audience who are really eager to learn English. And I always encourage other people to practice English practically. So English is an easy thing, never think it is the hard. So you try to practice practically and make some video like me. I'm just making video to improving my speaking, to give and to develop my confidence, to how can I speak before the people publicly. And for this reason I also help other person and who are like me to make video like this. So how about you, and what's your level of English? Do you really practice regularly? You think everything you can lose, you can be fail, but if you try, believe me, you never be fail. If you try as much as possible with your full power of your life, of your body, of your mind, of your power, of your thinking, you must be success. So everyone think become depressed. I cannot speak English before the people. How can I develop? From my side, there is only one suggestions: you practice. What is the talking other person? What is talking other? What are the comment about your speaking? Some people can be smile, seeing you. It doesn't matter, because when you're beginner, you make mistake. It is necessary. We cannot speak. We cannot learn any language overnight. It takes time. You have to understand. So you forget those people who are really making you a joker. You never think about that. You should think just about your fluency, about your speaking. Another mistake we always do, that is, we think I'm a beginner, I have to make sentence properly. But believe me, every beginner makes mistake. If you think I have to think properly, I have to make sentence, then I will express my thought. It takes too much time. Rather than you make mistake. First of all, you should be fluent. First of all, you remove your unfluency. Okay? Then you can be. You think, yes, I can speak in English. It's not too much hard. Try to understand. Believe me, 2 years ago, I couldn't speak. But now I can little bit. How? Because I practiced. And I practice with you. So my belief, from my opinions, from my speaking, if you have any encourage, you should practice. Without practicing, you cannot speak in English. So try to speak outdoor with a person who really help you, encourage you. If you know friends, if you know partner, no problem. You have a mobile phone. You start speaking with this mobile phone. Make some video, make short, and try to speak with your mobile phone. And think with your friends. And think about your surrounding. Speak about your surrounding. And inshallah, one day you can. Like think some people behind me. And when I started making video from the outdoor, people always think, and I always smile. You see my beginning videos, but now I have no enough shyness. I make video easily, and I have no any shyness because I practice. But at the beginning, I have lot of shyness. So if you really want to practice, inshallah, you can, and you must can. So never waste your time. Start practicing from now. Okay, so guys, we have think and we have speak very hardly, and we have come into a hardship thing. So never be emotional. Just practice. Inshallah, you can also be fluent in English. So goodbye. I am going to escape myself from this video. See you next day.